Okay everyone, how not to lose your emails with Outlook. First I'm going to show you how to create a PST. Go to Tools. From Tools you can go to Account Settings. Let's quickly have a look there. Okay, Account Settings. First tab shows you your email accounts. Second tab, Data Files. This is where we create our PSTs. I've already created one, but I'm just quickly going to show you. I made a folder on my C drive called Email, and I created an inbox. Alright, so we're going to go and create an inbox, which is going to be our new inbox for our emails to go into. Let's add another one, another PST. Okay. We can go to our email folder again, and let's save it in there. We'll call this one January 2014. Let's call the folder 1-Jan 2014. That just helps, the number just helps you to sort it easier. Okay, let's do another one. Same place. I'm going to make this one Feb 2014. Now I'm going to go and create 3 PSTs here just to show you how this works. You will do probably up until December. When we're done here, I'll show you the correspondence email address so you can see what it looks like when you're done. Okay, let's save our PST, new one. Now we're going to do March. Okay, we call it 3- March 2014. As you can see, it just helps with the sorting, makes it easier. Okay, now we've got some PSTs, we've got our inbox. Let's make that the default, so all the emails will go in there. Great. So now, let's go and have a look at setting up the rules. Tools, and then rules. From here, you can create a new rule. Check when they arrive. Let's start there. When you scroll down on the options here, you'll see there's a rule called received within a specific date span. Let's use that one. Here you can define the date of your PST where you want the emails to come into. The date range would be for January, so we'll start from the 30th of December to the 1st of Feb. As you can see here, it means it'll be in between those dates. And let's move a copy of that email to our January folder. So in our January folder, we can go and create a new folder called Inbox. Okay, so there's our first rule set up. That's for incoming mail. So any incoming mails that is within that date range will go into the January inbox. Great. Let's create another rule. Let's do one for sent items. Okay, so after a message is sent, we're going to go and say through a specified account. On this example, I've used the dummy account. Okay. On the next page, we will move a copy to our January folder and we'll create a sent box. Now the only problem with the sent rule is it does not have the date range feature, which means at the end of each month you'll have to create the rule again or modify the rule just to go to your new folder, to the new folder that would be for February. Let me just show you how you would do that. You would just go and edit your rule, click on the inbox, select your new folder where you want to save your data. Let's make a new sent box here. There you go. And now it will go to the February folder. So it's as easy as that to change it. Alright, let's make our other two rules quickly for February and for March, our incoming rules. So we scroll all the way down. Yeah, date range. Let's do that. And you see what I'm doing here? I'm selecting a range just a little bit outside the range that we want. And we move a copy to our February folder. Let's just make a inbox. Okay, we're done with that one. Let's do the last one. By now you should get the hang of this. You'll have to go all the way to December, as I said. But this is just to show you how it works. It's very easy to set up. It just takes some time from your side to set it up, but you won't lose any mail if you do this. Okay, let's just set up our last folder, move a copy to March, create a new folder called Inbox. After this I'll just show you how to back up your rules, because it's quite hard work to set up these rules. You don't want to lose this. So you can go to run rules. If you want to maybe run these rules on your old inbox, you can go and select them, and then you select which inbox you want to run it on. So here you can go and select your old PST. When you run it, it's a good idea to include the subfolders if you've got some subfolders there. This will then run through everything and copy it to the right folders. Okay. You can also do this for the sent items. So you go and select your old sent items, and then you can run it for your old sent items, and it will also move it to the correct folders. Okay, great. And that's how you set it up. Very easy. Now let me show you quickly on another screen. This is what correspondence looks like. Okay, so this is where you want to be. Final result, you'll see on the left I've got all my folders there all the way to December, and everything moves into the correct folders as they come into my inbox. So this is where you'd want to be. This is what it should look like when you're done. Cool. One.